Hi everyone, Thao here. I'm back with another episode of Hit or Miss. I'm going to show you a bunch of gadgets and you just let me know whether you think the product is a hit, meaning you love it, or a miss, aka I'm not interested. Alright, let's get right into it. First up are these ear tips from SpinFit. I know what you're thinking, ear tips? Seriously, Thao? Well, they aren't just basic ear tips. What makes them special is their patented swivel technology. Okay, if you take a closer look, you'll see that the head of the ear tip can actually rotate all the way around. It's like super flexible. Why does that matter? Well, this allows the ear tip to conform to the natural curves of your ear canal. This should mean a better seal and improved comfort. The AirPod Pros, Galaxy Buds Pro, and these ones from Techniques are the wireless earbuds I use on a regular basis. I've tested the SpinFit on every single one, and right away, the fit, comfort, and stability is better on all of them. I think I like them the best on the AirPod Pros. They sound a little better, and I'm getting a better seal for noise canceling, which was already amazing on the AirPods. I do have mixed feelings about the SpinFit on the Techniques and Buds Pro. They definitely deliver in terms of comfort, and the grippy silicone does do a better job keeping them in my ears. But I feel like the sound takes a bit of a hit. Compared to the stock tips, the Techniques just don't sound as punchy to me. And with the Buds Pro, you lose a little bit of that soundstage that they're known for. At the end of the day, fit and comfort is king with earbuds. If they don't fit or hurt, it doesn't matter how good they sound. The Buds Pro, for example, just didn't fit my husband's ears. But throw these guys on and they actually stay in his ears now. If that's you, it might be worth a look. Next up is the Coze Mat. It's basically a vegan leather desk mat, but it is more than that. It's also a stand and an organizer too. The main appeal is the multifunctional stand. Just flip it up and it converts from a mat to a stand. Perfect for elevating your laptop, tablet, phone, or books. The material underneath has a super grippy feel, so your devices aren't going anywhere. The built-in grooves are also really nice, giving me a couple of options for viewing angles. If you don't need it, just fold it down and it's back to a flat desk mat. The mat also extends onto either side for that extra workspace. There's these dedicated slots with hidden magnets for add-on accessories. The two slots at the bottom here are for the detachable wrist rests that you can just pop in place like this. Depending on if you're right or left-handed, you'll want to put the extended mouse pad onto that side. It sits flush, but I still feel the ridge when I run my mouse over it, which isn't ideal. You'll also get this pop-up board with magnet dots to clip things like notes or pictures. If you go with the Pro version, you'll get two extra accessories, a box and a 15-watt wireless charger. It's nice that it matches the mat, but it's a little too flimsy for me. And you still have to use your own cables, which gets messy and adds clutter. I'd skip it. Because it folds, you can use the right only, left only, or no sides at all. Kinda cool, right? This is the Teracube 2E sustainable smartphone. What does that mean? Well, here's what you need to know. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery that's removable, so we're taking it back old school. They use screws and no glue, so it's much more DIY repair friendly. Teracube offers an impressive 4-year warranty with a $59 accidental repair cost. There's no charger or cable in the box, but they do bundle a biodegradable case plus screen protector, all in eco-friendly packaging. The best part, the phone retails for only $200, and they'll also plant a tree for every phone sold. Taking a look at the specs, it's not that impressive, but once again, we're talking $200 here. You're still getting a fingerprint scanner, headphone jack, dual SIM support, and will you look at that, an SD card slot. It runs Android 10 out the box with 3 years of promised updates. How timely and often will those updates be? I'm not too sure. In terms of performance, the phone does get kind of choppy at times. It'll stutter here and there. Cameras are below average, but outside of that, this is a surprisingly decent budget phone that can get the job done. Plus, their mission towards a greener, more sustainable smartphone is one I'm sure we all can get behind. Definitely worth a look if sustainability is important to you. Moving on to the next item, this is the Ugreen X-Kit Hub Stand. Yeah, interesting name. I dig it. I've always been a fan of products that are multifunctional, and the X-Kit is both a USB-C hub and adjustable laptop stand. It comes out of the box like this, and to get started, just extend it outwards, push the feet down, and lock the hinge in place like this. You've got 4 different height options to choose from. This elevates your laptop screen closer to eye level, which means less hunching over, which is going to be way better for your posture over time. The parts that touch your laptop are all lined with a rubber material. You've also got 4 rubber pads at the bottom to make sure it's nice and stable. The X-Kit also doubles as a USB-C hub. All the ports are lined along the left side. There's 5 extra ports in total. 2 USB-C 3.0s, an HDMI, and a SD plus TF card reader. The whole thing is built out of aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's strong while still being lightweight. It can be a little clunky to set up at first, but you get used to it quickly. Overall, the functionality is great, and because it's so compact when folded, it's not a pain to carry with you. I do think it's a little overpriced. I mean, I've seen stands like this for a third of the price, but I guess it boils down to how much you value having ports built into the stand itself. All right, that's a wrap for this episode. Be sure to let me know in the comments your thoughts on each product and if it was a hit or a miss. As usual, thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, I'm out of here.